Hi and welcome. This is Steve from PublishPress, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use this PublishPress Series plugin to build a magazine or newspaper site in WordPress. I have a blank WordPress site here with just the PublishPress Series plugin installed, so you can easily see how this works. If you go to the Posts link in the admin menu, you're going to see several links for series. We're going to start by creating the key category to organize our content. And in this case, we're going to call this the PublishPress magazine. And this is going to be a monthly magazine. So we're going to make individual series or issues. And these are going to be January. I'll make sure that goes in the PublishPress magazine. And February. Again, PublishPress magazine is going to be the category for this. And the March issue as well. If you look on the right side, they may not be quite in the correct order that you want, so you can drag and drop them into the correct order. And also, if you edit these, click on the icon upload box, and you can upload images for each of your series. In this case, I have an image ready for January. And I also have one ready for February. And finally, after saving this, I have March ready as well. So now we have a top level category, which is the PublishPress magazine. And we have 3 individual series as well, January, February, and March. Each of these has an icon, the actual cover of the magazine, and now we can start adding posts. I'm going to go to the posts area, click on add new post, and this will be January introduction. Introducing the January issue, and down here on the right in the sidebar, I can choose to make this part of the January issue. I'm going to publish that. I will go back to the main post screen and add a second post. I will put this in the January issue as well. And let me add one more as well. We'll put that in the January issue of the magazine. When I see the content on the front of the site, I will also see all the items provided by PublishPress Series. There's a bar giving specific details about which issue or which series this post is part of. It's part 3 of 3 in the January issue. There's an overview box showing all the details of the articles in this particular issue. And there's also a navigation. You can use this to browse back and forth between the different items in this series. In addition to these front-end tools, PublishPress Series has some admin tools as well to help you organize your series. If you go to the WordPress dashboard, you can go to Posts and Manage Series, and you can see the different issues that you have set up here. I'm going to click on Series Order for the January issue. And you can see we have 3 articles here. You can drag and drop them into different positions if you don't think the order is correct. And any unpublished content which is waiting for approval or perhaps scheduled, will appear in here. Let me show you a quick example. This will be one more January post. I'm going to save this, and I'm going to make sure that it's part of the January issue, but it's not published yet. I will go back to Manage Series and back to the series order, and this is right down here, waiting for me to examine, waiting for me to see whether it's ready to be part of the January issue. If I think it is, I can click on Publish these unpublished posts, and there it goes. It's automatically moved to the main part of the series. It's live on the site. If you want to see more of how PublishPress Series can create a magazine on your WordPress site, head over to demo.publishpress.com and you'll see a more detailed example of what we started building here. You'll see the magazine issues, and there's also a series of key links in the sidebar. You can see what a single post in a series looks like. You can see what the overview of a whole series looks like, and even the top level view of the whole magazine. So PublishPress Series really is the best way to build a magazine or newspaper site in WordPress. The plugin is completely free to download from WordPress.org. So if you're interested in building a website with grouped content in a magazine, a newspaper, a short story, a book, then head over to WordPress.org and grab your free copy of PublishPress Series.